Ever wondered why eating one wrong meal can suddenly make you feel irritated? And one piece of chocolate turns you into a happy puppy? Surprise! Your gut is running your emotions like a secret boss. Today we are decoding how food literally sends messages to your brain. And trust me, this drama is real. Namaste, I'm Dietitian Sanchana and welcome to Right Bite. Today we are diving into the amazing gut-brain connection. Why your stomach is basically your second brain. And why chocolates sometimes work faster than any motivational speeches. Your gut and brain are connected by a super important hotline called the vagus nerve. Think of it like a WhatsApp chat. But instead of good morning, good night messages, your stomach is constantly sending mood updates to your brain. 95% of serotonin, your happiness hormone, is actually produced in your gut, not in your brain. Your gut microbes create chemicals like GABA, dopamine, and serotonin that controls mood, stress, and calmness. Research shows that people with a diverse gut microbiome have better mood stability and emotional balance. So yes, if your gut is happy, you're automatically happier. Okay, now let's talk about the real superheroes, the foods that make your brain literally hi-fi your stomach. These foods support your gut microbes, your hormones, and your energy levels, which means they directly influence your mood. You know why you feel calm after eating any millets or any whole grains? Because whole grains release glucose slowly into your bloodstream. When your blood sugar goes up, down, like a roller coaster, your mood does the same thing. But whole grains keep your energy steady. And a stable energy level means a stable mood. And they also contain B vitamins, which help your brain produce serotonin, your natural mood stabilizer. Probiotic foods like curd, buttermilk, yogurt, ganji, these are basically yoga classes for your gut bacteria. Your gut has trillions of microbes, and when they are happy, they produce chemicals like serotonin and gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA, both of which help you relax and stay positive. So probiotics lead to better gut health, which in turn result in a clearer mind and a calmer mood. Your spinach, methi, palak, amaranth, all these greens are rich in folate, a B vitamin your body needs to make dopamine, the feel good and stay motivated hormone. Low folate is linked to low motivation and mood disorders. So regular intake is beneficial for maintaining a positive mood. So greens are not just for weight loss, they are literally mood boosters. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are like tiny mood protecting capsules. They are packed with magnesium, which calms the nervous system, omega-3 fats, which help reduce inflammation in the brain, protein that stabilizes energy. So if you ever feel stressed, a few almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or flax seeds is like giving your nerves a warm hug. The cheapest and most powerful mood booster, banana. Bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, which help convert tryptophan into serotonin, enhancing mood. Their natural sugars and potassium contributes to gentle energy release and cognitive support, making them an accessible mood boosting snack. So when your mood dips suddenly, a banana, honestly, nature's own antidepressant snack. Here is an important note. If you are allergic to any of these foods, please avoid them and choose alternatives that suit your body, because everyone's system is different. So honor what works best for you. Now to the most important scientific question of humanity. Why does chocolate feel like emotional therapy? Let's break down the chemistry inside that one magical bite. Chocolate, especially dark chocolate, contains 5 natural mood boosting compounds. Theobromine, a gentle stimulant, not as strong as caffeine, but enough to give you a pleasant lift, improved mood, and sharper focus. Phenylethylamine, PA. This is the same chemical your brain releases when you are excited, happy, and in love. That's why people say chocolate gives love-like feelings. And it literally does. Tryptophan, a building block your brain uses to make serotonin, the happiness hormone. So chocolate helps your brain produce more of what makes you feel calm and content. Flavonols. These are antioxidants that increase blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow contributes to better mood, better concentration, and reduce mental fatigue. Fifth one, magnesium. One of nature's best relaxation mineral. It helps your muscle relax, improve sleep, and reduces irritability. Dark chocolate has the highest concentration of all these good compounds without the sugar overload. Sugar-filled chocolate gives instant happiness, but then crash your mood later. But dark chocolate is classy, is slow, is smooth, and it literally signals your brain, relax buddy, life is sweet. But here is the plot twist. Your mood doesn't depend only on what you eat. It depends on what your gut bacteria want. Your gut microbes are very picky. They love fiber, fruits, veggies, whole grains, and fermented foods. But they hate packaged junk, excess sugar, refined oil. The moment you eat too much junk food, your gut bacteria basically go on strike. They stop producing the chemicals that keep you happy. And that's when you start feeling irritated, low on energy, moody, sluggish. So here is the moral of the story. Good food makes your gut happy. And a happy gut lifts your mood. And a happy mood makes you feel amazing. So feed your gut like you feed your Instagram with quality content. Eat mood boosting foods every day. And yes, enjoy chocolates too. But let it be the dark, classy kind, not the sugary drama queen. Thank you for watching. If this video boosted your mood even 1%, hit like, share with your foodie friends, and subscribe to Right Bite. See you in the next tasty science video.